Hi, good people. Today I'm going to show you how to make your computer much faster. I know it's very annoying to have a very slow computer. You feel like throwing away that computer. But here's one step. You need to clear the junk files. The junk files are usually located in the temp folder in your Windows computer. How do you access the temp folder? Go to My Computer, double click to open, go to Drive C, local disk C, then you scroll down to Windows, then you go down to temp, the temp folder. This is the temp folder. You open it. These are some of the files, so you need to click to delete all these files. You can hold shift delete on your keyboard. First you select all, then you shift delete to delete them permanently. So here you click yes, then you do this for all items, then you say continue, and that's all. We've emptied the contents of the temp folder. With that, just keep using your computer and notice if there's any change in terms of speed. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe to this video and also put down your comments. Goodbye.